Good afternoon, everyone. How are you today? Fine. So today it's very memorable day for you. Today you are going to see few performances, and through those performances you are going to learn lots of things. Okay. So are you ready to see those performances today? Before that, I will tell you a few things about English. Okay, everyone knows that English is very important language, right? It's important or it's not important? So knowing about English is good thing, right? So I will tell you few things about speaking. Okay, in English, speaking in English. So very first thing is English is a language. English is not a subject. Whenever you are studying English, you should learn English as language. You know Telugu. Telugu is a language, right? Even Hindi, you know Hindi. Hindi is a language. In the same way, English is a language. And language can be mastered by listening and speaking. Okay, you don't need to read multiple books. You don't need to learn much grammar. If you listen and if you repeat the same, if you understand what is that, so you can speak English, right? So for that, it is not much needed to read books. So another thing is speaking English. Okay, it's not that difficult. It's not that difficult. So what you need to do? What are the steps you have to take to speak English? First thing, you should start somewhere. Okay, I know who are sitting here. Everyone knows English. Everyone can understand English, right? Whatever I'm telling in English, right? You are able to understand or you are not understanding at all? Understanding. You are understanding means you know English. Then only you are understanding. If I speak in Japanese, will you understand? No. So it means you know English. You know English. So what is the problem you are facing? You are not starting somewhere. You are thinking that you need to know much more vocabulary words. Then only you can speak. So in English, there are more than 1 million English words. There are more than 1 million. So it is not practically possible to know all these words. It is not possible. 10 lakh means 1 million means 10 lakh words are there in English. More than that. Okay, more than 1 million. So is that practically possible to know all these words? One person cannot know all these words. So whatever words you know, you should use that in your communication. Okay, whatever I am telling already you know, but you somewhere feel that I can make mistake. That is why you don't speak. So making mistake is not a problem. Okay, whatever we do, at first we make mistakes. Then only we learn. If you are not making mistake, so you are not learning anything new, right? So in forward means to learn English. First thing, if you are making mistake, that is fine. That is fine. When you learn Telugu, okay, when you were very small kid, you made lots of mistakes in Telugu too. When you were small kids, you mispronounced the word, you told sentences wrongly, you did many mistakes. But now you can speak fluently, right? Correctly. Why? Because you made mistakes already. So today if you are making mistake, tomorrow you can rectify those mistakes and you can improve your communication too. So first thing, start today. Okay, it's never late to start. Tomorrow never exists. If you are thinking, no, next year I will do, next month I will do, tomorrow I will do, no. Now you have Dasara holidays, right? You have or you don't have? Yeah. So in Dasara holidays, what you are going to do? What are your plans? So you need to practice much more speaking English. You need to practice speaking English. So stand in front of mirror, stand in front of whatever words you know. Okay, whatever sentences you know, just try to speak it out. Already you know much more. If I tell you write one essay, you will write I know. But when it's come to speak, you don't speak because you are not practicing enough. You are not practicing enough. If you are practicing enough, automatically you will get it. Okay, now we will start this program. In this program, you will see few students who are from you. Okay, they will be performing a few skits. Skits means like big role plays, where many characters will be there and they will be acting. And you, everyone has to see that. And after that, I'll be
How much
asking
they
you
get?
questions and you have to answer me, right? You will tell me the answer, right? And for that, you need to
Sixth not seventh exam.
then only you can answer. Okay, now let's start the program. Before
సిక్స్త్
that,
నుంచి
I would
ఎవరు
like to
ఇచ్చారమ్మా?
invite
ఎవరు ఇవ్వలేదు కదా? ఎవరు ఇచ్చారు? మనసు వచ్చింది. ఎవరు మనకి?